Greetings from Shiba Inu Crypto, once again, everyone. Shiba Inu recently sponsored the PlayStation, and the device's price will soon soar. News on Shib today, in February, Shiba Inu saw a 23% price decline, capping its impressive 2023 start after a brief rebound in the middle of the month. Shib has returned to the negative zone, and investors seem to be preparing for some sales in the days ahead. Shib holders' daily active deposits have increased as compared to prior to the late December spike. We will discuss the recently financed PlayStation in Shiba Inu in this video, since its price is expected to soar in the near future. News on Shib today. For the newest information on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give the channel a thumbs up. A visual comparison of active deposits and withdrawals will be presented at the start of the video. According to data, historically, more holders have moved their Shibs into exchanges than have withdrawn them. When deposits consistently surpass withdrawals, the price of Shiba tends to decrease. The main currency is probably going to have a slow start to March 2023 if Shib holders keep adding tokens to exchanges in the upcoming days. A further indication of bearishness in the on-chain data is the ongoing decrease in network activity. The quantity of new Shib addresses created has continued to fall, reaching a new low of 1,800 at the end of February after peaking at 6,000 on January 18. One important indicator that indicates Shib has not been drawing in new cryptocurrency users is the pattern in network expansion. Recent comments from market participants have indicated that in order to turn around the present adverse price movement, Shib needs to discover new demand for the product by March 2023. It's also possible to see the distribution of holders who purchased Shib at the current pricing negatively. The worldwide in and out of money around price by joining the block indicates that, should Shib break below its present support level of 0.10, the market should expect more declines. The next potential demand region is 0.00006, where around 55 trillion Shibs were purchased by 164,000 addresses. Still, a rally toward 0.35 might be initiated if the price of the Shib breaks over the barrier level of 0.17, with over 999,000 addresses purchasing over 468 trillion Shib at an average price of 0.17. This may be easier said than done. New blockchain data indicates that failed cryptocurrency lender Voyager isn't done dumping its massive holdings of Shiba Inu. The amount of cryptocurrency that the struggling lender now owns has been updated by the analytics company Lucon Chain, according to the firm. Voyager now owns 51.78 billion Shibs, valued between 57,200 and 8,300, compared to a week before, when Voyager contained 6 trillion shibainu, valued at $81 billion. That quantity is far smaller. In addition, Voyager has kept up its massive sales of Ethereum, which dropped from $172,200 ET, valued $276 million, 1 week ago, to $148,700. A couple of hours ago, Voyager got $2.25 million USD and sold $1,449 ETA via Winter Silent. $1,553 is the selling price. Voyager presently has $148,700 in equity and is still selling assets $57 million or $233 million out of 5.17 trillion, 1.44% of the connection, 10 million, 7 million, or 1.17 billion stems, $452 million AVAC. A fresh image of Voyager's enormous cryptocurrency wallet from December was also posted on Binance by Lon Chain. We declared that it will purchase assets from Voyager valued at over $1 billion, following the collapse of FXS's acquisition ambitions. Following the SEC's objection to the deal, the judge overseeing Voyager's bankruptcy proceeding, Michael Wills, moved quickly to demand details about the SEC's reasoning for objecting to the deal and why it has chosen to halt all further action with little to no justification. The London-based BTC exchange has added Shiba Inu to its roster of tradable cryptocurrencies. The public's trading options will probably rise with the arrival of the Shib token, as the addition to BTC's exchange was revealed on March 3. BTCC is evidence of the increasing interest that major cryptocurrency trading platforms have in the coin. Recently, Binance declared the Shib's availability. Moreover, the coin can now be traded on well-known exchanges like Coinbase and Bitstamp. According to a daily time-frame analysis, Shiba Inu continued on the downward trajectory it had been on for the previous 3 days, indicating that the new development had no effect on it. Over the last 3 days of trade, the token has lost almost 1% and almost 6% overall, trading at around 0.11. The item has been added to a trend as indicated by where the relative strength index line is after the price drop. That RS size drop below the neutral line showed a strong Shib bear trend line, but it was unclear how long it would hold. The support line was located at approximately 0.10, 0.14, and 0.15. Opposition was present. Coin Alright Japan, in response to requests from its community, the San Francisco-based altcoin branch in Japan, has announced that it would now support Shiba Inu on its cryptocurrency exchange platform. The exchange had earlier declared that on February 28, Shinu training would begin. Shib's exposure can be explained by the fact that it has been listed on a number of cryptocurrency exchanges since its launch. The affiliate of the top US exchange Binance has launched the Inu trading pair, which has caused a spike in Shib holders. According to reports, the Shiba Inu community believes that the Sharam beta release will revolutionize the project. Lead Shib developer Shoshi Kusama has set up an intake system and a new website to help anyone who want to contribute to Shiba Inu. The market value of Shiba Inu is 0.12, and throughout the past day, $176 million worth of trades have occurred. Over the last day, Shiba Inu's Shib has had a decline of 1.06%. As a leader in the trading platform market, TMS offers you the best possible trading experience for stocks, CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and Forex. It is also safe, blazing fast, and efficient like any other platform. With TMS Network, traders may finally wave goodbye to intermediaries who impede their progress. You are in charge. With an early-stage sellout, TMS Network's pre-sale phase has gotten off to a tremendous start. In just 2 weeks after launching their pre-sale, TMS Network raised an incredible $7,000. This month promises to be an exciting time for the Shiba Inu community. The group has, in relation to Shibu the Metaverse, Shibu has revealed some intriguing new developments. It was revealed in a recent tweet that Shib the Metaverse will shortly premiere. Supporters of the Shiba Inu are thrilled to hear the news. It was also mentioned that since the Metaverse will make its debut during SXSO, there would be a huge party for the premiere. A multiverse. Shinu is hosting Happy Hour on March 11 from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. CT, and guests of the Departure Lounge are encouraged to join in. Press day will come to an end, and the SXSW interactive track will begin with this event. With the premiere of Shib the Metaverse made its way to SXSW. We cordially welcome you to join us for a happy hour to cap up press day and begin the SXSW interactive track as we celebrate Shiba Inu in the Departure Lounge, an annual collection of entertainment events, including parallel film, interactive media, music festivals, and conferences, is known as South by Southwest, or SXSW for short. Usually, the event takes place in Austin, Texas, between March 12 and 14. After months of anticipation, it was announced on the official SXSW website that attendees may now join the X exhibition and experience the immersive dark VR music video. Lead developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshi Kama, has hinted that the introduction of Sharam could happen soon. According to Shoshi Kusama, the chief developer revealed this to his 800 and 99,000 Twitter followers in a mysterious post. As they finish up the top gaming system in the world, the team is currently listening to a repeating song. On Friday, during the Twitter introduction of a new game, Sony PlayStation made reference to Shibu. In the game Mankind, players assume control of a Shiba dog and try to rescue mankind after everyone else has lost their souls and willpower. The Shiba dog breed is essential for leading and preventing the extinction of the human race. The PlayStation Virtual Reality 2 VR2 will be able to play the game when it launches in May 2023. The main goal of the game is to have the Shiba dog lead the lost souls over obstacles and ultimately lead them to the light pillar. We're done for today. Remember to give it a huge thumbs up. See our most recent stuff by sharing and subscribing to the channel.